The 9th generation Toyota Hilux has finally arrived, and for the first time in its 57-year history, it's available as a fully electric pickup truck. Toyota unveiled this game-changer on November 9th, 2025, fundamentally breaking the mold of what an electric utility vehicle can accomplish on modern roads and construction sites. If you're shopping for a pickup truck in 2026, here are 5 compelling reasons why the Toyota Hilux stands out as the best option available right now. Reason 1. Revolutionary electric and hybrid power. The 2026 Hilux Hybrid 48V represents a significant evolution in electrified truck technology and automotive engineering. This mild hybrid system combines a 48-volt lithium-ion battery with a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing 150 kilowatts and 500 newton-meters of torque. What genuinely differentiates this setup from competitors is how seamlessly integrated it feels throughout the entire driving experience. The battery sits beneath the rear seats, meaning interior cabin space isn't sacrificed for hybrid components whatsoever. The electric motor generator delivers smooth acceleration and refined performance, both on highways and challenging off-road terrain. But the real breakthrough innovation is the Hilux BEV, the battery electric version. This all-electric variant features a 59.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, paired with dual electric motors providing permanent all-wheel drive capability. The front axle delivers 205 newton-meters, while the rear produces 268.6 newton-meters of torque. This dual motor configuration gives the electric Hilux capabilities that rival traditional diesel models in practical applications. The development of this electric variant demonstrates that electrification in the pickup segment doesn't mean compromising the toughness. Serious buyers demand Toyota engineered this truck to retain the fundamental strength of Hilux's body-on-frame construction while introducing zero-emission performance to the class. Reason 2. Superior performance metrics. The 2026 Hilux EV delivers impressive practical specifications, addressing what fleet operators and serious users genuinely need daily. The WLTP-tested range stands at approximately 240 kilometers on a full charge. For urban and regional operations, this covers a complete working day without concerning yourself about midday charging stops. The payload capacity reaches 715 kilograms, and the towing capacity handles 1,600 kilograms of braked load effectively. While these figures are lower than diesel versions, managing up to 3,500 kilograms, they're perfectly adequate for urban trade users and fleet operations Toyota specifically targets. The charging infrastructure represents another practical advantage worth considering. Carefully Toyota engineered best-in-class charging capabilities, minimizing vehicle downtime substantially. The EV supports DC fast charging up to 125 kilowatts, and AC charging through a 10 kilowatt onboard charger. This means overnight charging restores a full battery for the next working day automatically. Compare this to competitors like the Ford F-150 or Ram 1500, requiring fuel stops at traditional gas stations, whereas the Hilux EV charges directly from workplace electrical infrastructure. Fleet managers reviewing data through the My Toyota app can simultaneously monitor charging status for up to 10 vehicles without complications. Reason 3. Price that crushes F-150 and Ram. The 2026 Hilux diesel models start at approximately $22,094 US before on-road costs for the base workmate configuration. When you examine this entry-level pricing against competitors, the value becomes immediately apparent. The Ford F-150 starts around $46,290 US, while the Ram 1500 begins at $45,995 US respectively. Even accounting for regional variations, the Hilux offers substantially more affordable entry into the full-size pickup market segment. Throughout the complete lineup, Hilux pricing remains competitively impressive across all trim levels available. The mid-range SR models sit under $39,000 US, and premium Rogue and Rugged X variants reach approximately $46,794 US. For fleet purchasers acquiring multiple vehicles annually, This price advantage compounds dramatically over several purchasing cycles. Over a fleet of 10 trucks, savings of $5,000 to $10,000 per unit creates meaningful budget optimization annually. The hybrid 48-volt models command modest premiums compared to base diesel versions, with pricing reflecting the fuel efficiency advantages those electrical components provide precisely. Toyota's strategic pricing acknowledges that commercial buyers calculate total cost of ownership carefully. Reason 4. Built for 300,000+ mile reliability. Toyota holds 4th place in the 2025 What Car Reliability Survey, rating 30 manufacturers globally. This ranking reflects decades of consistent engineering excellence and manufacturing precision. The Hilux specifically carries a global reputation for standing extreme punishment and lasting hundreds of thousands of kilometers with minimal issues. Historically, owners regularly report Hilux trucks with 300,000+ kilometers still maintaining seats, steering wheels, and controls feeling solid. This consistency isn't coincidence, it's disciplined engineering. The 2026 Hilux reinforces this heritage with reinforced chassis components, enhanced rust protection systems, and drivetrains tested across extreme temperatures and challenging terrains consistently. Toyota backs its commitment with 5 years unlimited kilometer coverage for private buyers maintaining service schedules. Commercial owners receive 5 years and 160,000 kilometers of standard coverage included. This warranty extends to 7 years on drivetrain components, with recommended maintenance performed regularly. Compare this security against competitors offering 3-year coverage, and the Hilux's commitment to customer longevity becomes undeniable. Fleet managers appreciate this confidence. It directly impacts resale value and depreciation projections. Reason 5. Efficiency and sustainability leadership. The 2026 Hilux diesel achieves combined fuel consumption of approximately 7.9 to 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers across various configurations. Real-world testing confirms these figures consistently hold up during mixed driving conditions. The hybrid 48-volt variant improves efficiency through electrical assistance, particularly noticeable at startup and low-speed acceleration scenarios. This efficiency advantage translates to meaningful operational cost savings across fleet operations annually. With an 80-liter fuel tank achieving 8 liters per 100 kilometers, a Hilux covers over 1,000 kilometers between refueling, making it practical for remote work sites. The electric version eliminates tailpipe emissions entirely for urban operations. Unlike traditional trucks emitting harmful carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, the Hilux EV produces 0 emissions. This matters significantly for urban fleets operating in emissions-restricted zones. It matters for companies implementing legitimate sustainability goals. As charging infrastructure powered by renewable energy expands globally, environmental advantages increase substantially. Electric vehicles demonstrate significantly lower maintenance requirements than combustion engines due to substantially fewer moving parts. This means reduced servicing expenses and improved reliability metrics considerably. The 2026 Hilux represents the culmination of Toyota's multipath electrification philosophy entirely. It offers genuine choices between traditional diesel power, refined hybrid efficiency, or cutting-edge electric capability. Each powertrain balances distinct performance requirements with realistic operational costs and environmental responsibility. If you're seriously considering a pickup truck this year, don't overlook the Hilux. Subscribe for detailed breakdown videos on specific Hilux models, direct comparisons with F-150 and Ram 1500 specifications, and comprehensive real-world performance testing coming very soon. Hit the notification bell now.